welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Rookie Cookie. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. As you already know by the title, today we are going to make burger with banana. So if you're interested to know how I made this unique banana burger, keep on watching. So guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do not forget to give a thumbs up to our video, subscribe to our channel and share our video with your friends. See you again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.